Hello, how are we doing today? Today is another day on the DIY home front, but today is going to be a Mr. Fix-It. My brother gave me a washer that wasn't working. He said it wouldn't drain out the clothes, they were always wet. So I got a free washer. It's already broke, so if I take it apart and break it, I can't make it any worse. So let's see if we can take it apart and fix it and get a free washer. Did I mention he also gave me the dryer that went with it? Anyway, that's what we got going on. Do you want to try an intro, honey? I'm a visual person and I like to see how things work. So we're going to take the back cover off and hook up the water hose to it and turn it on and see if we can get it to work and see if the drum is spinning, what's going on with it. Anyway, watching things work makes it a whole lot easier for me to figure out what's going wrong. We're just going to hook up the cold water line. My lovely wife Natalie is with me today. She's way in the background. Maybe we can get a close up.
Way in the background, right? With a broken limb on the wall.
Okay. Not that anybody needs to see this, but simple. Water hose from the house, connected to the cold water. Let's get some power hooked up to it. We've got power. Now I need to hook up the drain line. And I bought one and it's got multiple sizes. So I'm gonna cut the parts off that are too large. And hopefully this one will fit on my washing machine. Or should I say, my brother's washing machine. And it does. All right, I think the next step is going to be to get some cardboard to lay it over on its side. Just because it was given me doesn't mean I want it all scratched up. And then we can take the back cover off. We also might want to take off the safety latch on the door so we can actually watch it and see what it's doing. Let's get that done.
Did she take it? Did she take it? Oh my gosh. Are you like a big belly rub? Oh. It's a Friday. It's a Friday. What you doing?
All right, back here on me.
Back here, like literally on you or the washing machine?
A little bit on both.
What?
It's not me breathing hard, it's the dog. Let's get the back cover off and see what we can see. All right, I've got almost all the screws out, but I think I'm gonna put it on its side before I take this one out. There we go. That's the bottom, and it doesn't look like there's much to it, does it? A pump, maybe a motor. Let's take this cover off and see what's under there. It looks like I can hear the washing machine turning. So the belt's not broke, and it looks like it's connected, and it looks like it's working. Well, let's add some water to it and some power to it and see what's going on. I'm gonna tilt it back up. Push on my water line. Okay, let's try a quick wash and see what it does. Cold water only, cold water. And maybe we should get that latch off, because I don't think it's going to let me do anything with the door open. If you ever buy a set of bits to do stuff, make sure you get one that's got all the size like star bits. I got the screws out of it.
Oh yeah, I thought you handed it to me.
Yeah. See, it would close down and close in.
It says gimbal protected. Tap to resume.
I can see that's the water level. It's slowly rising. It has started the wash cycle now. Like I said, you can still see the water levels right there. If you ever wondered what it looked like when your clothes were getting washed, there it is. Quick recap. We hooked the power to it. We hooked the water to it. We disconnected the front door so we could look inside. And we ran a quick wash clean cycle. Next thing to do is to try to get some water out of it and see what it does and see if the pump's working. Wash cycle, I'm going to go to the rinse and spin and see if we can get it to rinse the water out. Let's see, 3 seconds to cancel. 1, 2, 3. And let's put it back on and see if it does the rinse and spin. I'm sure the water being added is so that it can rinse it out. All right, it looks like it's trying to drain. Let's investigate what's going on with that water pump. It is a water pump. Let's take it apart and see what's going on. Change the bit. Put a new bit in. There we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. That's the pump. That seems to be turning right. Oh. What's this? What is this? I think that's what must have been making the motor jam up. What is that? That looks like part of a metal zipper. That must have been causing the motor not to turn and keeping it from pumping out water, and that's why the clothes would have been wet. Well, let's put this thing all back together and see if that fixed the problem. So I'm going to put the motor on. I'll put the cover to the drive belt on. I'll put the back cover on and get it all screwed back together, and then we'll see what happens. I know what I needed. I needed something to drink. I'm gonna stop it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. Are we catching that? Hey y'all, just wanted to give you the final update on the washing machine. It is working fine. We got the problem fixed. Clothes are coming out nice and rinsed, and put them in the dryer and they dry just fine. Also want to tell you thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. You never know what I might be working on next.